This is a family of barn owls, known in Latin as Tyto alba. The mother owl feeds them a dead mouse. They squabble over it. 4 hours later, she teaches them how to cough up pellets. The pellets are made of fur and bone. When dawn approaches, the owlets rest for the day. When the sun sets, the owlets wake up. Big mother owl goes off to hunt. 12 minutes later, she returns with a dead bankful. The owlets fight over the food. Feathers fly everywhere. 4 hours later, the little ones cough up their own pellets. 2 weeks later, the owlets have grown bigger. They still squabble. One night, Mother Owl decides to fly off but brings no food home. She teaches the owlets to fly. Afterwards, they rest. 1 month later, the owlets are now flying. They are also ready to hunt with their mother. Firstly, they don't find anything. They wait for their mother. Luckily, Mother returns with a dead frog. The two babies share the frog. They go to sleep to recover their strength. 2 weeks later, one owlet leaves the nest. He has grown up. The other owlet is still not ready. The mother owl continues to feed him with a dead shrew. He eats it all up himself. 4 hours later, another pellet comes out. 5 weeks later, the other owlet leaves the nest. Mother owl is left all alone to hunt for herself. The end.